Wow, guys, it's actually looking like a pretty good morning so far. We will take this nice move back to the upside with the SPY this morning. Got all the way back up to 398. What a big resistance. 398 and $400 has been over the past couple weeks. Definitely keep your eyes on the SPY here. I think that we could see some pretty good moves continue on here, but I will say we're up a lot in pre-market, so it might be another one of those choppy type days. I feel like the SPY might be a little bit harder to play today, but I feel like if we look at maybe some of the bigger stocks out there like Apple or Disney or somebody like that, I think it might look a little bit better. What is Apple doing here? What is this? Is Apple on like a... Oh, Apple's on like a trend line. Okay. Interesting. So you can see how they're kind of reacting off of this trend line, which is pretty cool. See multiple bounces this morning there. That's pretty cool to see. Had that little extension up. It's just not really having too much momentum right now. Like I said, SPY's up a lot in pre-market. It looks like it's just pulling back a little bit, but look at DraftKings actually running all the way up to 1565. Oh, I shouldn't even talk about this one. I'm going to jinx this. Better get off of there quick. Better get off of DraftKings. All right, Square's looking okay. I mean, decent. Let's look at my watch list, though. Yeah, DraftKings is leading the way, which is sick. AAL, American Airlines, popping up. Okay. Carrier. CARR actually is not bad. But hey, thanks for joining up, Jamie, Keisha, Bill, Krish, Brick. Thank you guys for being here. Brick says, thank you, Keisha, for the KR call out. I've made a lot from it already. Haha. That's awesome. Let's go. That's awesome, Brick. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, KR has been on fire, man. Wow. Yeah, this week too. I mean, amazing recovery, push to the upside this morning. That's a great pop. Amazing breakout from this week's highs, at least. Or close. Yeah, I like this. Keisha said she hopped in J and J yesterday. Let's see. J and J. 175.74. Yeah, big breakout again, Keisha. Holy crap. Johnson and Johnson. I really like this break of like 175. That was a huge, huge level there. I cannot believe that, Keisha. What a big level on Johnson and Johnson. Big move up here, 0.7%. Yeah, guys, let's give some W's to Brick. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. Let us know how much you made, Brick. That's fantastic. Just percentage-wise, you don't have to give us dollars, I guess. SPY reversed. Let's see. Yeah, it did a little bit. Definitely did. 398, now it's a 396.50. If it could hold somewhere around here, that would still be pretty good, I think, for SPY. That would still be okay. Yeah, it just looks like one of those plays where it just gaps up, and then we might sell back off down now, obviously, now that the market's open. But we're still up a lot from yesterday, which is good. And, you know, we could always go back up here in a little bit. Hopefully this ends up as being a nice support, but I don't know. It's not really looking like it to me. I kind of feel like it's reversing, too. I just don't know how far we're going to reverse back down is the question. DraftKings, just sitting there. Disney. These airlines are actually looking decent today. Like American, Delta looks okay. Very interesting on these ones. Let's see the daily. Yeah, I mean, their daily charts don't look too bad either, really. Definitely doesn't look bad. Let's see, LVS. 44.90, almost hitting $45. Cool, I love LVS. Same thing with Win. Oh, Win's not breaking out as much, though. Alright. Looks like that did hold up his support on SPY for a little bit at least. 396.50. Definitely take it. I'm seeing CHWY climbing up again too, Keisha. Good old Chewy. I know you like that one a lot too. Yeah, that one's moving up well. Okay. LVS. Still moving up for us. SPCE, ASTR. Just nothing crazy enough. GameStop's moving. What? Whoa, look at GameStop today. GME might be leading the... AMC's leading the way, actually. AMC's up 5.55%, leading my watch list now. What an interesting day for that one. I honestly wouldn't have expected that. I mean, is there like a catalyst or... No, I'm not seeing anything. Huh. Well, hey, we'll take it. We'll take it either way. Hey, we'll take some green. Maybe marijuana stocks are doing better today? It doesn't look like it. Nope, just consolidating still. Whoa. Look at this news. Congress sends the first weed bill to Biden. Sounds pretty good. Dianne Feinstein or Feinstein or somebody sponsored the bill. Dianne Feinstein. She's funny. Yeah, how can marijuana be categorized as the same type of drug as heroin? That sounds pretty whack to me. Very whack. Like, who came up with these things? Wow, Keisha's been swinging Chewy. Nice. You have those for a couple weeks. Yeah, it looks like Chewy did pull back a little bit this week, didn't it, Keisha? It was running, but then started falling back off. Hopefully you're still up on your calls on this one. I would guess you are. I just don't know exactly where you entered, but Palantir doing okay. Brick says Diane is so old it's crazy. How old is she? Let's see. I have no idea. Oh my god, she's 89. Holy crap. What? Uh-oh. What? I want to see her get confused. Oh. Anybody want some cold air intakes? Alright. Well, hey, I mean, she's going strong. She's going strong. Senator Feinstein. Rick says we need a 70-year-old age cap on members of Congress. Yeah, I could see having an age cap. I don't necessarily think 70 should be the number, but yeah, I agree with that, Brick. 100%. Maybe I'll actually make that the poll today. Oh. Wow, yeah, it's looking rough on Tesla. Really watch this lower resistance of 174. I should say like lower support of 174. It looks interesting. That is a pretty big support though, 174. Very interesting. What a huge level. Yeah, it's because he doesn't want to be CEO Xbox. That's why. We do have to remember that when Elon said that, he said it in court. So just keep that in mind. He's saying this to the SEC, who's trying to get him in trouble. So we got to remember that. Or if it's not to the SEC, we have to realize it probably relates to them somehow or some way. Ha, Keisha says Walmart's still going. Yeah, it really did. It popped. Look at this little resistance this week, right around 150. That is pretty weird to see 3 extensions up this week and they all bounce right off of there without any breaks or anything like that. Man, that's interesting. He doesn't want to be CEO. That's right. Damn, Walmart. How's Costco? Good. KR? KR is the stronger of them all. Yeah, KR is looking a lot better, actually. Keisha says, I get that he doesn't want to be CEO because he is the brains behind everything. Yeah, that makes some sense. That makes sense, but I believe he really does want to be CEO. I just think that he's saying this in court to like cover his ass and try to seem better, And keep in mind that really helps his public image. Like you don't want somebody coming out going, I want to be the CEO of the biggest company in the world. It's like like if you come out and you say stuff like that, the people would think you're nuts. But yeah, he kind of just wants to be more of like an engineer, and I get that, and it makes sense. But I think deep down he does like it, though. It's kind of like how Trump was like, he's like, I'm not running for president because I want to. I'm doing it because I have to because the country's so messed up. You know what I mean? Like, he's like, I have to. Sometimes your comments confuse me, Xbox. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I don't know how to even respond to that one. I refuse to know. He knows I'm reading it. Xbox goes, I would think he was a megalomaniac if he did that about being the CEO. Oh, that's funny. How are the cruise lines? I know we looked at airlines earlier. Eh. I was hoping to maybe see the China stocks coming back, but nope. They didn't want to. Spy's looking decent, though, on our chart. You know, I like that. It's not the best, but, you know, it's better than falling back off all the way to 380 or something like that. Not too bad. But yeah, let me know what you guys are trading this morning, and don't forget to smash that like button if you guys are enjoying the stream. But yeah, just let me know what stocks you guys are watching. Let's find some big runners. I know pretty much everything opened up higher this morning, and now it's just pulling back to the downside a little bit. Let me know if you guys have any stocks that are actually like running up. That would be cool to see. You know, some nice runners. Keisha says Tesla's holding 182.50. Or do you mean 180.50? Yeah, it is close to 182.50, isn't it? This is a tough one for me, Keisha. Like I feel like I leaned down on this one, but with the market looking the way it did this morning, I would hope Tesla could come back a little bit, but oh, she meant 181. That makes more sense. All right, Tessie. 181.30. Ooh, Palantir, not good. DraftKings is holding up pretty well. I'll give it that. It's actually a great day for DraftKings. The portfolio is liking it. All right, DraftKings. Gotta love that. I mean, hey, when your favorite stock's up, that's a pretty good day, I'd say. Pretty good day anytime your favorite one is flying. Poor Spy, though. Poor Spy. Just can't make up for it. What about Meta? Whoa. What kind of weird chart is this one? What happened this morning? This thing died and, like, instantly died off. What? What is that red candle? I don't know about you guys, but this one's weird. I mean, that's one of the biggest red candles on a 1 minute chart on Meta I've seen in a long time. What the hell happened here? Yeah, I gotta see, like, has there been another time where we've seen something like this? I don't think anything like this, though. This was insane. Not totally surprising, but it's just a pretty big candle in general. Come on, let's get some good momentum here. We need to find some good momentum. Someone in Discord says Neo's starting to run. That could have been a good one, yeah. Keisha says she thinks the SPY's is filling the morning gap. Yeah, I think so too. That's what I'm hoping, Keisha. Filling that gap. 395 is a big, big, big support. So if we got back under 395 today, I would be very, very surprised. Yeah, I think, Keisha, I think you're right. I think that we'll just fill the gap back down, and then I think start the trade back up. Hopefully that's the case. Interesting. JD reported earnings this morning. Let's see. Yeah, they kind of fell back down a little bit. Nothing overly crazy with them. DraftKings is leading my watch list, though, still. Whoa, look at that. What's going on here? Hey! That's pretty cool. That's cool. Piper Sandler has him at 21 bucks. That's not bad. That's cool. I like that. All right. None of the analysts are bearish on DraftKings. Wow, what a good day, guys. I mean, hey, it's not every day that DraftKings is up whenever all these other stocks are down. So, hey, I will take that. Looking really good here. We got that news. Piper Sandler has him at 21 bucks. Now we have, well, now we're moving up into resistance, but still pretty good. I mean, we'll take that movement. That's for sure. That really helps out the port. The port. It's looking pretty good, though. Hey, let's go. Let's throw some W's in the chat for DraftKings, guys. Honestly, that's honestly one of the biggest things of the morning, in my opinion. Let's go. 5.23%, 1569 now, breaking out above its high of the morning. All right, DraftKings. Have a day. Keep killing it. Keep on killing it for us. Hell to the yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah, W's across the board, Keisha. That's awesome. 1575. There we go. Ha. Hang on, guys. I'll be right. Whoa. Oh, never mind. This is funny. Cornish is posting golf pictures in Discord. Oh man. Come on, baby. Let's keep going. Get that good movement going. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Hmm. Good old DraftKings. Got all the way to 1585 now. That's beautiful. What about Palantir? Looking good. Yeah, looking pretty good. It's looking all right. Hmm. Yeah, let me know if you guys see anything else that has some good momentum, though. I know it's been a bit of a slow morning so far. You know, SPY's pulling back down, and we're not really getting that good breakout momentum that people would usually hope for because we're obviously just, you know, it's just a normal day in the market here. Normal volatility, as usual. Look at that SPY falling off below 395.50. That's terrible. That's terrible, SPY. Pretty bad sell-off. 395.50. Ooh, 395 even. All right, SPY. I see what you're doing here. Just wanted to be boring for us. Xbox says, I was surprised to hear Mike mention tulips in the video last night. Tulips, did he? I didn't. Tulips? I don't even know. Tulips? Did you mean maybe the video he made by himself in the middle of the day, Xbox? Because the video last night with me, I don't think I heard tulips. Maybe I did. I don't know. And now you got me rethinking my life here. Oh, let's see end phase though. George was saying end phase. Yeah, look at that. Some good momentum. We'll take that. How's FSLR? Cool. Yeah, they're moving up too. Not bad. Hey, good morning, Square. Hope you're having a good morning so far. Stocks are very whack today, I'll say that. Let's look at BABA because it's like falling back off. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's rough. Wow. What about J&J? I know Keisha was watching this one a lot. It looks like it's maybe bouncing off the 175 support. It's actually like right on 175, which is kind of sick. This could be really cool, actually. Right on 175, maybe get some good movement going. Maybe. It'd be sick. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Had a real bad cough there for a second. It made me kind of whack there. But let's see. Snowy 225. Hey, do you do live trading every day, or is it certain days only? Yeah, I mean, Snowy, I really only play a couple day trades a day, if I even do any. But I usually just play the hybrid bot, which is uh pretty much what we call out in our premium portion of the Discord. We have a bot that calls out day trades every single day, and man, that thing does pretty fire. That's pretty cool to see. Yeah, it's pretty good though. Yeah, I don't always trade live though, Snowy. Sometimes I'll enter some shares live. Like, I know I bought some Tilray live before the midterms a couple weeks ago. Every once in a while, you know, I'll look at SPY and I'll trade that or something. But usually I have to have a pretty good setup for me to do something like that, Snowy. Just keep in mind, I sell a lot of calls, a lot of puts, and do a lot of trading that way where it's a little bit easier, you know, it's a little bit laid back. Snowy, I could make maybe, you know, I could on Monday place like 4 trades and then just be totally done for the week, you know, with selling calls and puts and stuff like that, just depending on your shares. Like, for example, on like DraftKings and Meta and Disney and Tilray and, you know, things like that. Take a little advantage of that stuff. But I'm always trying to find good day trading setups. You know, if I find a good enough setup, I will enter it. It's just I have to be very convinced in the setup. Because mainly the hybrid bot has been so fire, there's no reason for me to play any other day trades. I mean, here, like, look at the hybrid bot from yesterday. We had a 62.5% play on Queb. It took only just like an hour to an hour and a half. You can see where the entry was here on the picture. It was at 0.80. Even if you had a bad entry at 0.90 and a bad exit around like 1.15 or 1.12, which would have been decent, you know, something like that. Still a pretty decent pop. Might not have been 62%, you know, if you didn't enter at the right time, but still, it's pretty fire. The hybrid bot has been pretty good. This week, it's had a couple winners, a couple losers. It's been very mixed. But the past couple weeks, it seemed like almost every play won the past month. Just about, besides a couple. But I know we had that one picture a while ago from like the end of October where like 13 of 14 plays in a row pop. Xbox says it was about him. It was just about the boom and bust, I guess you could say. Oversold, overbought, etc. Trader emotions and whatnot. Oh, I got you. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense, Xbox. It's insane how insane some of these traders are, you know? Especially, yeah. That tulip craze back in the day was funny. I remember learning about that. It was cool. Hey, yeah, Snowy, I think you'd like it. You know, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's $99 with the discount. Definitely not bad, you know, compared to a lot of stuff that is out there, you know. I'll actually send you the link to the purchasing page in the Discord or in the YouTube if you're interested. SPY bouncing back and holding 395. Let's see. SPY holding 395. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying to get back above there, honestly. Hopefully it can get back up above 395. That would be beautiful. Hang on 1 second. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. I was just fixing my link actually for stat modeling. So that actually, the link I posted takes you to the actual page. Cool. Okay. Square says, good luck, guys, and thanks for the free stream, Tom. Yeah, no problem, Square. You know, I'm glad to be here. If you guys ever have any questions about certain setups or anything like that, just let me know. I'm really hoping Spy can bounce off that level you said, Square, right around 393, 33. That would be pretty nice if it could just hold somewhere around here today. We did just fill that gap back down from this morning, though, so who knows? Maybe we'll go on a nice little uptrend now. I could maybe see something like that coming through for us. That'd be nice. Oh, man. Chris says heat map's looking okay. Okay-ish. Yeah, it actually does look pretty good today, doesn't it? Minus healthcare, minus Tesla. Uh-oh. Keisha, I just remembered UNH. Back on the uptrend, that's good. Oof. Good thing it's up. This scared me on the heat map here. It said it was losing 4% on the day. How delayed is the heat map? This heat map must be really delayed, guys. Hold on, let me refresh this. Amazon's down 3.19% on the heat map. And in reality, they're only down 0.96%. I guess the heat map's doing prices since open today. That makes sense. That makes sense. Hmm. Yeah, Jan says, thanks for the stream. I've been learning a lot from you, Tom and Mike, and this whole group. Newbie here, thank you. Hey, Jan, yeah, thanks for joining up today. I really appreciate you being here. That's awesome, Jan. I don't think I've ever seen you type before, but hey, thanks. Yeah, if you ever have any questions or anything like that, just let me know and I can help you out. I know some questions, they might seem dumb to ask, but you know, you never know until you just ask away. So feel free. Tilray. Come on, let's hold up here, Tilray. God damn it. Look at AMD. They blasted up and then they came back down. Same thing with poor Nvidia here. Ooh. Nvidia's starting to look rough today. I hope you guys think it is. Wow. Yeah, to me, that's just not looking good here. Looking scary. Yeah, almost scary here. Wow. Yeah, welcome, Jan. Come on, Spy. What about Boeing, maybe? It was looking so good in pre-market. Now it's just turning back over and making me sad. Look at DWAC. Maybe check that one out, guys. I know this one can run a little bit. It's like Trump's social media stock, so don't hate me for it, but I think it's cool looking. I think it looks all right. Definitely not too bad. All right. What about SPY? Hmm. PLTR. MSTR MicroStrategy. MNST Monster. Here we go. The Monster Beverage Corporation. Holy, look at how good Monster's been, guys. Sheesh. What a crazy stock. Right up at resistance right now. Right at $100 even, actually, which is cool. Interesting, not bad. Yeah, definitely not too bad. Okay. Alright, I'd say it's okay. Man, something's doing construction outside my house, and it's freaking me out. Sheesh. I'm gonna have to go figure out what's going on after the stream. All right. Keisha says MSTR. Is it you or Mike that likes that stock? It's actually Mike that likes MicroStrategy. Yeah, he likes this one, or at least if he doesn't like it, I know that he talked about it. I'm not into this one too much myself. Pretty sure that's him. I remember him talking about it a little while ago. Sometimes it's hard to remember, though, when you have so many stocks. Okay, Spy, I see you there. Hey, Boeing's actually starting to point back up a little bit. I know the cruise lines and airlines were doing pretty good earlier this morning, and hey, if they start popping back, Boeing might be a pretty good little play to watch today, guys. Keep your eyes on this one. You might like it. Maybe up above like 175 or something like that. Looks okay. All right. Boeing actually isn't looking bad, but neither is the Spy. The Spy's starting to pop back up a little bit too. I think we might have finally hit a little bit of like an intraday bottom, and now we're starting to come back up a little bit across the board. Yeah, Apple, Microsoft. How's Tesla? Oh, Tesla. Oh, Tessie. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Tessie really sucks right now. Damn. All right. Well, Tesla just continues to look bad here today. Maybe it'll come back up with some of these other stocks pushing higher. Maybe. It just might. Maybe try for a little push up above 175. That'd be nice. Wow, what's the temperature today? Is it hotter outside? It's been like 30 degrees by me every single day this week. The high today is 31 where I live. Like, what? 31. All right. Fine. Oh no, Boeing. Oh no. That's a brutal turnover there. Ooh, that looks rough, guys. Palantir. DraftKings coming down now. Spy. Meta. Spy's pointing back down too. Oh, we're back under 395. Come on, Spy. We're gonna have another volatile, choppy day. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely does, Brick. It definitely does. Yeah, I'd agree with that, I'd say. How are banks? Nope. Nothing again. Anything that broke out today is kind of pulling back. What about KR? Yeah, even KR is doing it. Hey, at least UNH is still up there. That's a good at least. AbbVie's still up there too. What about Pfizer? Pfizer's not looking as good, but it would be amazing if Spy just ripped back up today. That'd be awesome. If we could close up around 400, I think that would be setting up pretty well into next week. Be setting up pretty good. Okay. Hey, Xbox says, are you going to do an extended stream today? If so, hopefully I can catch the end, but for now I have to go. Damn, Xbox, sorry you got to go. Probably driving from work or something like that, Xbox, I guess. Yeah, I actually can't do it today, unfortunately, but I will be doing that more often now because I realize people like that, actually, which is cool. I used to think people liked it shorter, but it's cool to be able to do some stuff like this. Still got some stuff to do in the background a little bit for Stocked Up. Some stuff like on the website and some stuff like that. Okay. Oh, you have to pick up an order. Okay. Ha. The push-up's coming, Keisha says, as long as nothing crazy happens in the news. Yeah, I feel you there. Oh, okay, you gotta pick up an order, Xbox. I feel you. Well, hey, Xbox, hey, have a great rest of your day, man. Have a good morning, and, of course, we'll be in the Discord. If you ever need anything today. Huh. Keisha says, that insider that put money into ARK must have some insider news. Hmm. Let me see if I can get this up on my other monitor here. I'll transfer it over, of course, once I get it up. Copy that. Boom. Yeah, you're right. That's not doing too good. Debit spread's not doing too good right now. Definitely not. Jeez. Maybe like we'll get lucky next week and just have a huge over recovery or something. That could be. They might just hold it a little while. It's tough to say on that one. Yeah, that's looking rough. I don't know. Yeah, Keisha, that's pretty bad there. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Poor ARK. They're not going to be able to function here in a year. They'll lose all their backers. Hey, SPY looks decent here, holding 395. Hopefully it keeps staying right here. It's pretty decent little intraday support. It's not bad at all. Looking pretty good. Let's see the big movers one more time. Let's see. Still DWAC. DWAC. DraftKings. DraftKings is still looking good today. I'll take that. You know what else is kind of popping up that's surprising me today is General Motors. General Motors is moving. Interesting setup. See Ford. Almost the same thing. Man, I can't wait for that new Mustang to come out. That thing's going to be sick. DWAC. Definitely not looking bad, but hey, any day the DraftKings is green, I will take it and I will be happy. So, W's for DraftKings, guys. I mean, what a good morning for them. We'll take that good movement there, but hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. I know today hasn't been the most exciting day in the market ever, to say the least. The SPY's just been falling back off a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Alejandro says 392 at the SPY. Man, if I don't think we'll get to 392. I don't think we'll get that low. Maybe 393, but yeah, I will watch 393 as a pretty good support. But man, we will take it on good old DraftKings. That is good to see. Hopefully it stays up today, but not gonna lie, it's probably gonna pull back a little bit, especially if the SPY stays lower. We need that SPY to really bounce here and move back up, and I sure hope it does sometime soon. But yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up today. I appreciate it as always. FT Fallen, Alejandro, Keisha, Xbox, Jan. Hey Jan, thanks for joining up today. Snowy, Krish, Square, Brick. I love that name, Brick. That is a cool name, but Brick Armor. Sounds like something you'd wear on RuneScape or something, but yeah, have a great weekend, guys. I will be in the Discord if you guys need anything. Sorry I have to go today. I will be doing longer streams, though, so make sure you mark those down on the calendars. But yeah, have a great rest of your day, guys. Let's kill it. If you guys make any great profits today, post them up in the Profits channel in Discord, and I will hype you up in there. So yeah, have a good one, guys. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later.